It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best,
So,
you know.
I've decided to do something I've never done before. I've come down to Canary Wharf today. After all these years, I don't know why I've never been here. I always imagined it's like it's still when it was a dockland, so there's like little canaries everywhere, if only. But now it's a very city place. You have lots of banks here, and what I didn't expect to experience, there's like a community here. There are lots of families out. There's people running around, there's people playing basketball. Obviously these people live here, and you can really sense this unique island in London that is a different world altogether. It really does feel like I'm not in London and it's a different place altogether. But why I'm here today is because for months I've been seeing all these beautiful colours and installations at Canary Wharf, so I've come to experience as much colour as I possibly can get today, and also wear this brand new outfit I've had sitting in the wardrobe for months. Thanks, winter. So, on that note, let's go explore this gorgeous part of London that I've never seen before.
I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. Sorry, I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans, so we can start again.
I'm currently walking at East India Quay, but have I watched too much Pirates of the Caribbean? Because I'm just thinking the West India Quay. There's the East Indian Trading Company, but either way, I think of Tom Holland from Pirates of the Caribbean because there's a nasty bastard. think I'm going to say goodbye to here. I've really enjoyed coming down to Canary Wharf. It's actually quite a gem. There are so many nice restaurants, bars, there's like places to play sport. I've seen so many children just enjoying all these cool installations, and from what I've seen, they change installations every 6 months, so there's always something really exciting to do here. And honestly, look at this place. What a juxtaposition of nature and modernism. And right above me, I can see a lot of skyscrapers. So maybe you should come down on a Sunday afternoon, or just a nice little day off, and explore what Canary Wharf can offer you. So until next time. Also, I should say, look at my Instagram and subscribe and like the video, because it really does support my channel. I'm really useless at ending it with that thing. But until next time, I will see you later.